Once upon a time, there was a young man named Khalid who lived in a small village. He was a kind and generous person, but he had one bad habit. He was quick to anger. One day, Khalid was walking through the village market when he bumped into an old man. The old man fell to the ground, and his basket of groceries spilled everywhere. Khalid was furious. He yelled at the old man and accused him of being careless. The old man apologized repeatedly, but Khalid was not appeased. He stormed off, leaving the old man to pick up his groceries. Later that day, Khalid was walking through the forest when he came across a group of men robbing a traveler. Khalid knew he should help, but he was afraid. He had never been in a fight before, and he didn't want to get hurt. But then Khalid thought about the old man. He remembered how he had been so quick to anger, and how he had shown no compassion for the old man's mistake. Khalid realized that he couldn't just stand by and do nothing. Khalid stepped forward and confronted the robbers. He told them to leave the traveler alone, and he refused to back down even when they threatened him. The robbers were surprised by Khalid's courage. They had never met anyone who stood up to them like that before. They realized that Khalid was not someone to be trifled with, so they decided to leave. The traveler was grateful to Khalid for saving him. He thanked Khalid profusely and asked him how he could ever repay him. Khalid smiled and said, "The only thing I ask is that you forgive me for my anger earlier today." The traveler was surprised. He couldn't believe that Khalid was asking for forgiveness after he had just saved his life. "Of course I forgive you," the traveler said. "But why are you asking?" "Because I realized that I was wrong to be so angry at the old man," Khalid said. "I should have been more forgiving." The traveler was impressed by Khalid's humility. He realized that Khalid was a truly special person. Khalid and the traveler continued on their way, and they became good friends. Khalid never forgot the lesson he learned that day. The power of forgiveness is greater than any other power. Moral of the story: forgiveness is a powerful thing. It can heal wounds, build relationships, and make the world a better place.